let's configure the GPS. Head to Settings, System, and select GPS. Don't forget to select the appropriate time zone to ensure accurate data tracking. In the Enable/Disable option, choose Enable to grant access to the GPS. Now let's move on to the Wi-Fi settings. Return to the System options and select Wi-Fi. Under Wi-Fi region, pick the area that matches your location for optimal connectivity. There's the Applications section. To check our current locations, go to GPS Location and wait a moment until the coordinates display your precise position. Locations menu, select Wi-Fi. Scroll down until you find Drone ID. To spoof drones, go to Drone ID, Settings. Here you can define how many drones you want to spoof. Select the channel frequency range for the drones to be spoofed. And choose the location source, either the GPS location or a preset one. The blade drone is still in development, so for now we will keep it disabled. Go back for the menu and select Run. And start the spoofing. Locations menu, select Wi-Fi. Scroll down until you find Drone ID Scan. Once the drone is detected, its MAC address will be displayed. Select the drone to view more details. You will see information such as the authentication type, if available, the detected channel, and the drone's locations. And now, just wait for the next drones to appear. And that's it. Explore the sky from your console.